Many learners think each and every are the same, but they have subtle differences in meaning and usage. Both refer to all members of a group, but each focuses on individuals, while every sees the group as a whole. Part 1. Each is individual focus. It is often used when thinking about members one by one. Works with both small and large groups, but feels more personal. Example: each student received a certificate. Focus on individuals. Part 2. Every is group focus. It is often used when thinking about all members as part of a whole. Common for schedules, routines, and general statements. Example: every Monday, we have a meeting. The focus is on regularity. Mini skit.
Each of you will get a different topic to research.
Do we have to present every week?
Yes, every week, but each student only presents once.
Slang tip. In casual speech, every single is used for emphasis. I've told you every single time. Quiz. Fill in the blank. Blank student in the class passed the exam. Answer: every. Next time we'll look at few verses, a few, negative verses, positive meaning. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.